72-inch ceiling fan with light installation. Before installation, please make sure you disconnect the power supply to avoid electric shock. Firstly, remove the screws that are already in the motor. Next, put the blades and the blade connectors together. Finally, attach the fan blades to the motor. Secondly, remove the screws from the light mount. Connect the light wires attach the light kit with screws. Put the light cover on. Thirdly, decompose down rod. If you're using a long down rod, be sure to connect the cable extension and the safety rope extension. Then, thread the cable and safety rope through the down rod. Secure it with screws. Next, insert the coupling cover and the canopy into the down rod, followed by the hanging ball. Then insert the fixing pin, push the hanging ball up, and secure everything with a screw. Finally, connect the receiver. Fourthly, install the bracket. By placing the down rod into it and attaching the safety rope. Connect the wires. Place the connector inside the bracket. Adjust the canopy's position and secure it with screws. Finally, turn on the fan and enjoy it.